Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to use the GeoPacker plugin from QGIS. This is an amazing tool that helps you package all your point line and polygon, georeference TIFFs, and APIs all packaged into one while saving the symbology so that you can package it and share it while maintaining all connections. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is download the plugin for GeoPacker. And to do that is to navigate to the upper toolbar under Plugins and click Manage and Install Plugins. Be sure you're on the All tab here and go and type in GeoPacker. And here it is. And to install it, you just simply click on the button down here where it says Install Plugin. And it shouldn't take too long. And of course, we want to acknowledge the folks who put together the GeoPacker plugin for QGIS. It's just an amazing plugin, and we appreciate all the work that went into this. And close out the box when it says that it's been successfully installed. The GeoPacker tool is right here. It's going to be an icon right on your toolbar. And you could also access it by going to Plugins and GeoPacker. Before we package up our elements here on our map, I want to quickly describe what I have here. I have a point layer, polygon layer, and a line layer. In addition, I also have a TIFF, which is a DEM layer. It doesn't look the best, but this is just for demonstration that you could actually have a georeferenced digital elevation model along with this, as well as I have an API here. This is a zoning layer. And so the GeoPacker will recognize the path for this API, as well as my point line and polygon and georeferenced DEM, as well as Basemap, the Google satellite. So it's going to package all this in, as well as preserving the symbology for these layers and for that DEM layer. In addition, the coordinate system, which right now I have as State Plane, Tennessee. Okay, so let's go ahead and run the GeoPacker. I'm going to click on the icon. It's going to ask me where do I want to put the output zip file, and to do that you click on the browse, and it's going right to my project folder here. I'll simply call the file project file and click on save. By default, I'm going to leave it to strip duplicate layers. Of course, if you did, maybe you would uncheck that. Temporary layers, if you wanted a temporary layer included, you would leave that unchecked. And any remote vector layers, I'm going to leave this unchecked. Separate GeoPackage just by layer. I want these all to be combined. So once you approve with all this, you simply click Run. And it's been completed. I'll click OK. Now, if I go to my project folder, I have that zip file here. When I unzip it, I can see everything has been packaged into this package geodatabase. I have my raster file, my project file, and importantly, I have a packing report. And when you open this, you can see more detail about my project, including the projection, the size, breakdown, and all the different layers that are included and what was skipped. So a very useful report. And just to show you, if I close out of my current project and I open my packaged file, you see that all of my elements are here. The API is still connected. Got my point line and polygon layers. I have my georeference DEM as well as my Google satellite base map. So very useful. You can just send this off and have somebody else open it without having any links broken, and also maintaining all the symbology that you've established before. I hope you guys found this useful, and as always, please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.